how they get to remove the trees after the hurricane. With a little remote control thing around his waist. Huh. Oh, now that's gonna get over the house. Here comes the tree. Post-hurricane cleanup. Look at that. Because they can't get to the back because there's a creek back there, so they wouldn't be able to get that. And there's a guy right there. All he's doing it all remotely. Let me back up just in case so he don't drop this tree. I'm backing up, guys. I'm backing up.
Let the attack begin.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great hurricane rainy state of Florida. So today, me and my buddy Ronnie, we're gonna, there he is back there. Today we're gonna lower his car on those H&R springs. I think those will give the car a nice low look. I had those on my car before I did the airbag system on there. So his is a 16 M6. The only Hellcats to get is a manual. So we're gonna lower it on some H&R springs today. And as usual, if this is your first time checking out the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon for future uploads, and definitely like, share, and comment. So we're gonna get to changing out these springs. To get this side straight off, you have to move your supercharger coolant tank. You just take the two 10s off, you lift it up. Yeah. Recording. Ronnie. Then you got your 3 little shock bolts down here. Then Ronnie down here, he's taking off the tow bar. Then we got that piece out. We already disconnected the wire for the mag ride for the shocks. And after that, we drop it down. So we have the H&R in, everything wired back up, plugged back in. Gonna start on the other side. When I take the other side off, I'll show you how we compress it to take the spring off. So yeah, so we got Zelda down the videographer today. He got his yellow jacket charger. So we got it out. I got to this stage, so all I gotta do is I'm gonna compress the spring a little, and then we're gonna use the 18 with this 1/2-inch Matco gun. And what we're gonna do is just take it off. So I'm putting a little bit of pressure on it to hold the springs. And I'm gonna put this on here and try and back it off a little. Let's compress the spring a little bit more. That way it don't shoot off. For a little bit. Yeah. Put it back. Now once we got it on, we're just gonna loosen the springs back off. I can just stand it up, and that's it. Just like that, got it off. We'll just loosen this the rest of the way. And we take this cap off. Take the cap off, and now we get the new spring and put the new spring on. All right. Yeah. So the thing with the new spring, the skinnier side goes down to the bottom, and then it sits right against this lip right here. And then the same thing right here at the side, there's a little cutout where it stops. And then you just put that in there as well. I will put this on. We're gonna tighten it down. Then we gotta pull up on it some, yeah. Yep. See, push down on it. So now we got it right there. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna use this, and then we're gonna use our 12 millimeter, and we're gonna hold it, and we're gonna tighten this down. All right, guys. So here we are underneath. We have the new H&R spring in right there. So what we had to do is exhaust from that hanger right here, and the one up here, just so we could get to this bolt. There's this bolt right here, so we could back it all the way out. So we just took this off, this bolt right here off, that one, and we support it with a jack. And then once we get the bolt out, just lower the jack, and then that spring, the factory spring, will come out. And then we'll put the H&R spring back in, jack it back out, put the 2 bolts back in, torque them down, and then put the exhaust. Did you plug the active exhaust back in?
Yes.
Okay, and then we always unplug the active exhaust, because if not, it's gonna hang down and it's gonna pull on those wires, and you don't want it to pull on those wires. So always unplug it first, then drop it down, and then once you put it back up, make sure everything's back connected. So all the bolts are back connected. The new spring is in, and now we're gonna drop this side back down, and then go and do the opposite side. So we've just been doing one side. We did the front first. To me, the front is the hardest ones. Then after the front, we go to the back, and we do one at a time, because where we put the jack stand is kind of teetering. So we just did one at a time and left the jack on here, and we're using another jack that we use to jack up and down this lower control arm. But yeah, we're getting to it. It's pretty easy. You guys could do it, and just take your time. There it is, all lowered on H&R springs, and my loaner from Dodge. Woo. That's it. Very happy. But this is the springs. These are the springs, the H&R 50888s. Took us a couple of hours. We started around, I don't remember what time we started. I don't even know what time it is now, but these are the springs. These are the same one I had on my car as well. I really like to ride on them. Man, looks really good. I think all Hellcats need to be lowered. What you think?
Absolutely.
You like it?
Oh, I love it.
Look at us, completely dirty, but we did it, got it done in a couple hours. And wait till they hit some corners with this.
Wait till them corners feel me.
As usual, guys, thanks for watching the videos. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below, the bell icon for future uploads. And yeah, Ronnie's about to go and enjoy his cat lowered. Man, that thing looks so mean. Until next time, peace.
Don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women